Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol IBIO, Ibio Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button for me, letting me know you watched it and you found it helpful. And comment down below any other information you would like to share or may have overlooked. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this chart. So they had a run. Ibio had a bullish run. It went from 163, which it was kind of steady there for some time, a couple days throughout the week. And if you go back, it was a little bit below that, and then it just rallied up, and then it kind of stayed steady, and then it just took off. Well, why did it take off? And I want anybody to go ahead and piggyback off of what I state, but there's two things. I believe they partner up with somebody that gave them more opportunity, and it's like this facility that they're going to get at no cost to continue working on a vaccine, I believe. And the second thing is they got introduced to the Russell Index. I don't know which one. There's multiple Russell Index, but I believe they got introduced to that, and that just shows the future projections of possibilities or opportunities that this stock has some potential. I'm not saying that because they got added into the Russell Index, this is just going to continue an upward trend. But now it's more valuable. It's not just a stock in the stock market. It's part of an index. And I believe there's certain qualifications to get into that. So that's interesting. And that's why this rally happened. Then it fell back down. People taking profits. It brought back up. People taking profits. And then it's bringing itself back up. So there's some key things to pay close attention to. The first thing is, this was over the 50-day moving average throughout this whole time since June 23rd going forward. So that wasn't that long ago. This has all happened within the last week. So let's go ahead and see obviously the resistance points that we'll have to pay close attention to on Monday, depending on how this stock reacts, and then its support level. And its support level is pretty close to the 50-day moving average, and that's something to keep in mind and keep a close eye on, obviously. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here with this stock, and what opportunities are there for this to move in which direction, right? And if it moves, what needs to happen. So all right, bullish run, bears tore down, bullish, bears, and it ended at bullish. So that's interesting. We'll have to see the behavior on Monday. But the first thing is the resistance level. The resistance level of this stock is 264. That's where it got rejected towards the last hours of the day. And if 264 is broken and used as support, and the bulls want to continue this rally, okay, if this is used as support, the next resistance level would be way up here at 278. If you want to write that down. And the last one, which is the highest point this stock has had in the last weeks, is 289. That's a key indicator of this exploding into a very bullish run if it breaks through this all-time high that it's had in the last couple of weeks. Not all-time high, excuse me, but the high that it reached. And that's the point of rejection that this stock hasn't been able to pass yet. Obviously, it's passed 265. It passed, obviously, 277. It passed 284, but it couldn't pass 289. And that's a key indicator of how much more leverage the bulls are actually having on this one. I'm not saying that if that's not torn through, bulls don't have control, because obviously the 50-day moving average is way down here, which is 194. That's something else I would tell you to write. But that's something to keep a close eye on, because if this is broken through and used as support, new resistance levels can definitely be broken, and we'll have to see how the bulls continue that rally. But that's further along the lines, or it could even happen next week. But that's some things to keep in mind. But to keep everything much more concentrated, 264, if that's broken and can be used as support, new resistance levels will be broken. This closed out at 245. And the support level, this is important as well, it is 207. If this stock was to work its way closer to the support level or even break through it, I'm not saying the bears have won. They are starting to gain leverage on it, but they haven't won because the bulls can stock up on stocks and bring this one back up. So that's something to keep a close eye on. If it breaks through the 207 mark, I would closely watch this one. But the bears haven't won just yet until they bring it below 194. So that's a key indicator of who's in control. Now, if it breaks through 194, which is the 50-day moving average, now the bears have brought it to their territory. It is in bearish territory, but I would not say that the bears have completely destroyed this one because the bulls can take advantage of the price and rally this one back up as well. But that's something to keep a very close eye on. If it breaks through 208, 207, which is the support level, and if it works its way closer or even breaks through 194, which is the 50-day moving average. So this is going to be a very interesting one to watch on Monday, and even how it plays out throughout the rest of the week. We'll see how it plays out. The tug of war is there. Bulls came back and brought this one back up, and they're trying to maintain this rally. We'll see if they can. Just keep in mind the resistance level, the support level, and the 50-day moving average, and we'll see how this one plays out. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button for me. And if you are a spectator just viewing, your chance to become a participator is a click of a button away, and that's hitting the subscribe button so you can get notified when I post videos, because I post daily content. Hit the like button, let me know you watched this video, and comment down below anything else you would like to share or add on to the information I have shared with you guys. I always appreciate that. And share this with your friends and your community. Thank you for watching.